Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a just a few little tags that I've made for Halloween gifts that the kids are going to be giving out to my little one's going to be given to teachers. I think I'm going to put them, I made the coffins which I shared in my previous video, these ones. I was going to attach the tags to it somehow, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in some, maybe either wrap these in tissue paper, or I might put them in like a little Halloween gift bag or some sort. And then if I've got time, I think I'm going to try and crochet a little kind of witch's hat. If I do have time, I will come back and show you those. Got to try and fit that in this week because it's their last week before half term, and that's when he's going to give those out. So if I do have time to do those, I will do a quick video on those. I'm going to kind of make them into a keyring, I think. So I most probably put it in a gift bag with these. And I just thought this would be a nice sweet little tag to hang on the gift bag. I'm either going to make the bags, or I have got some like kind of craft bags that I can sort of make into Halloween bags. So either way, I'll most probably share how I put it all together as well. But yeah, these were just really quick, easy tags. I did use these two dies. I think this was by, if I can find the thing. Oh, I'll quickly grab it. So this is by First Edition, and I used that one and that one. Yeah, so by First Edition, I think I bought these. It came as a set, and I think these were from Every Craft's a Pound, I think. I don't know if that company's still going. If anyone knows, because I tried searching for it to leave the link and I just couldn't find it. So I don't know if they've gone on under a new name or if that company just doesn't exist anymore. But I'm sure it was Every Craft's a Pound. And yeah, got some really good deals on that site, but I don't think they still exist. I'm not sure. Or if they've changed their, like I said, changed their name. But yeah, so I used these two from that set. So on the plain one, I did just plain black cardstock, and then this one is from that Halloween collection that I picked up from the range. I think it's called Art something, the collection. And then the stickers, again, they were from the range. They are these ones. Haunted Hollows Halloween stickers. This is from the range as well, just their sort of make, and they come in a variety of different things. So just put these little like treat bags with ghosts on them, and then I've got a silver pen. I think yeah, this is what it's going to kind of look like, to sort of write out who it's to and from. Yeah, I just thought these were really sweet, easy to make, and they're quite nice little tags. Even for Christmas, you could put like Christmas ones together like that. Simple and quick, like easy tags to put together. The next part of this video is going to be my little boy, because he's made a couple of cards for his teachers, and he's going to share those. So that'll be the next part. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care. Bye. Okay, you're going to show your cards, yeah? Say hello. Hello. Put your hand there, just go like that. Good boy. Right, go on then. What did you do for your cards?
They got to write them.
Yeah. Did you stick some stickers on?
Yes.
Yeah. What's on this one? A spider, and this one?
A ghost.
A ghost. And who are these cards for?
My teachers.
Your teachers for Halloween, are they? Yeah. Did you have fun making them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Say thank you for watching. Good boy. Okay, bye everyone. See you in my next video. Take care.